The world is a filthy place. It's a filthy goddamn horror show. There's so much pain, you know? There's so much.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see
You're doing it
the
wrong.
truth.
If you're trying to kill yourself, cut vertically. They can't stitch that up.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
I'm sorry. I like birds too.
Why do you like them?
Because they can fly away when things get too crazy, I guess.
I'll never talk to you again.
I'll wait. Forever if I have to.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger.
Promise me. Stop it! You'll never cut yourself again.
Promise.
Get out! I never want to see you again!
I would never let anybody or anything hurt Violet. It's okay. You died. Love.
But together we can make something beautiful.
I swear. I want to be with you so bad.
Take my hand and perfectly we
I've never felt that way about anyone.
We are here, aren't you?
Of course. I'll always be here.
I used to think you were like me. You were attracted to the darkness. Tate, you are the darkness.
I know how you don't like normal things.
You're the first boy to ever give me a flower.
Something's changed in you.
It's the darkness. It has me.
I have you. You're distant, cold. You're the only light I've ever known. You've changed me, Violet. I don't know what I've done.
You murdered people, Tate.
I'll leave you alone from now on, if that's what you want. Is that what you want? You know why I leave you alone? Because I care about your feelings more than mine. I love you.
I love you, Tate.
Then what do you want?
What I wanted was you. Nobody here is happy, Tate.
Yeah, but they're not like us. They're lonely. We have each other.